Think you've got what it takes to shatter the limits of conventional design? At Johnson & Wales University, you'll harness your creative energy into groundbreaking designs to launch your career. With the guidance of industry-tested professors, you'll hone your craft in the design lab using the latest software, printing, cutting, and constructing until you get it just right. Classes simulate a real-world environment through client collaborations. Imagine your innovative designs celebrated by local companies for their awe-inspiring advertising campaigns and revolutionary product packaging. It all comes together in your senior portfolio. By the time you graduate, you'll have sophisticated examples of branding, logos, packages, publications, websites, and more to show potential employers. The best part? We invite them to network with you at our annual showcase. Unleash your creative genius and set the design world ablaze at Johnson & Wales.